How to get hired at Amazon Warehouse USA, interview tips, and hiring process. Thinking about working at an Amazon warehouse in the USA, whether you want full-time hours, part-time, flexibility, or just want a way to make some extra income, Amazon is one of the top employers in this year. But what's the actual process to getting hired? And how can you go ahead and increase your chances of getting in quickly? Basically, in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step hiring process, some interview tips, and everything you need to know about getting started so you can go ahead and land the job with confidence and avoid delays. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Basically, let's talk about on what is an Amazon warehouse job. Amazon Warehouse Associate are responsible for helping fulfill customers' orders. These jobs are the engine behind Amazon's massive delivery system. Basically, your tasks include picking items from shelves, scanning packages, packing boxes, loading or unloading trucks. You'll typically work at one of these three types of location. Basically, the first one is going to be the fulfillment centers, where products are picked and packed. Second, you then have the sortation centers, where packages are organized by zip code. And lastly, delivery stations. It's the last stop before packages go to the customers. Now, there are no prior experience required or resume needed. And you just need to go ahead and be 18 plus years old above with legal authorization to work in the USA. So basically, how to go ahead and apply online. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and head over to hiring.amazon.com. From here, you just want to click on the search jobs near you. You then want to go ahead and enter your location, and basically from there, we are then going to go ahead and select a nearby warehouse. Now, you want to go ahead and check this website from time to time because they are opening jobs every day or every week. As of the moment, there are no jobs in this specific location, but of course, you then want to go ahead and enter the correct location that you want to work in. As of right now, there are jobs in this specific locations. But of course, once again, you then want to filter this out to make sure that you are a nearby said warehouse. You will then be asked to go ahead and confirm your contact information, choose the shift availability. You then have to submit a background check and agree to a drug screening. Now, as a pro tip, you want to use the Amazon Jobs application to track your application and get alerts. Basically, what happens after you apply for a job. Once you submit your application, here's what happened. The first one is the background check. Usually, it takes around 2 to 5 business days. Amazon uses a third-party service to review your criminal history and verify your social security number. Second, you then have drug test. Amazon performs an oral swab drug test. It's quick and simple, and you'll be invited to a nearby testing site or hiring event. Third is the contingent job offer. If everything checks out, you'll receive an email with a job offer and scheduling options for your first day. Now, timeline tip. From applying to stating or starting work, the process can go ahead and take as little as 1 week, but it varies by location and season. Now, let's talk about on how you can pass the interview if required. Basically, most Amazon warehouse jobs don't require a formal interview, but some locations do, especially those with higher competition or seasonal surges might ask for one. Now, if you go ahead and get scheduled for an interview, you want to dress casual but clean, you want to arrive early, bring valid ID, and you want to be ready to talk about your availability and ability to work long shifts. Typical questions may include, why do you want to work at Amazon? Can you lift heavy items and work on your feet for 10 hours? And are you comfortable working independently? Now, as a pro tip, you want to emphasize your work ethic, punctuality, and safety awareness. From there, you then have your orientation and first day. Once you're officially hired, you'll be scheduled for a virtual or in-person orientation, a short safety course, facility walkthrough, either online or at site, and lastly, introduction to scanners, picking path, and packing system. Your first week will focus on learning the Amazon standard operating procedures, some safety protocols, and meeting your team lead and co-workers. You'll then have to go ahead and make sure to show up early, wear comfortable clothing and closed-toe shoes for safety, and lastly, you want to ask questions and stay alert. Now, what Amazon looks in new hires. Even without experience, Amazon wants people who are reliable, who shows up on time consistently. They look for people that are physically capable. If you are able to go ahead and lift for up to 50 pounds and stand for long hours, that's what they're looking for. Now, another thing is safety conscious and lastly tech savvy. Basic comfort with handheld devices and scanners. Now, if you work in retail, fast food, manual labor, customer service, you'll likely be a good fit. There's also room for growth. Many warehouse managers started out as an associate. Now, as a bonus tip to get hired faster, if you want to speed up the process, you want to apply to multiple Amazon facilities in your area. Yes, that's allowed. You want to turn on email, SMS alerts for Amazon jobs application. You want to be flexible with shifts, night, and weekend roles to get filed or filled faster. And you want to attend a local Amazon hiring event. Some offer same-day hiring. And lastly, you want to use the My Amazon Jobs portal to monitor updates and reschedule steps if needed. And so basically, that's everything you need to know on how you can get hired at Amazon warehouse in this year or in the USA. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, once again, most of the warehouses out there don't require formal interviews. You just have to go ahead and be polite, be punctual, and you want to make sure that you wear a closed-toed shoes for safety. Now, from applying to getting your badge, Amazon's process is fast and straightforward, but being prepared gives you a big edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I've also linked a free Amazon application checklist. So once again, you want to check that out. Good luck with your application and let me know in the comments when you get hired. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.